Already got the Artisancutlery Ahab series folding knife. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's open this thing up, see what we get with it, and we'll test it out. And inside of the package, we get a felt bag and some care and maintenance instructions on a card. Very nice silicone gel pack. Really nice looking rosewood handle on there, huh? That feels nice and smooth. Right off the bat, I can see that it has thumb studs on both sides. So you can use it left-handed or right-handed. It's a locking blade, obviously. So when you go to close it, there's a little flat spot right here. So if I go to close it, that flat spot hits on my thumb, and I don't have to worry about cutting myself. I'm assuming if I go a little farther down, I got to be careful. But if I'm hitting it up here, very nice. The construction on it looks great. It has a really nice frosted design look. Clip on here, very strong. It's very strong. I'm wearing sweatpants right now, and if I were to wear this on the outside of my sweatpants, just for instance, just to show you, this thing isn't going anywhere. Super tight clip design in there. What I would probably do is wear it on the inside of my sweatpants like this. You hardly even tell it's there. Just looks like a clip. Alright, so let's get a measurement on this. We're looking at about 4.5 inches fully closed. And when we open it up, about 8 inches right on the button. 8 inches fully opened up. One of the cool things about this knife is I do everything one-handed with my hands anyway. I can open it up with my thumb. If I want to, I can actually close it one-handed. Nice and convenient. It's got the cutaways for the fingers right here. According to the literature, this knife is made with power steel for high performance and corrosion resistance. I'm getting ready for winter around here. See how it cuts on that. Oh, it just cuts right through there. Look at that. All right, now I got my scoop ready. There are probably 1,000 different reasons for carrying a pocket knife. I mean, you've got one of the main things these days is going to be cutting open boxes, zip ties on stuff, you know, and packages you get. Removing splinters would be another good one. If you're a gardener, there's 100 different things you could use a pocket knife for. If I wanted to, I could, you know, put some drainage holes in this pot. Great for, you know, cutting twine. That cut right through that. Great for cutting rope. Great for clearing out brush, stuff like that you want to get rid of. So if you're looking for a nice looking, lightweight, everyday carry folding knife, Artisancutlery, Ahab series.